turn around. Alright, let me turn around. And then full body, but there you go, we'll go. Computer, let's spin. Computer says no. Bitch, please! That's the pretty shot you're talking about him, I'm just trying to help.
Live stream. Funny. I haven't live streamed in like forever. Live stream. Funny. I haven't live streamed in like forever. Yeah, I'm not gonna have my mic on for this because number one, I don't want nobody to think I'm gonna be, you know, yeah. Yeah, I'll have my mic on just because I don't, you know, the game is kind of funky. And also, I don't think you can really hear the game, so, yeah. And also, my main objective is to continuously kill myself. So to see how they play. Totally not me. Totally. That's totally not me. Totally. This. Okay. Bro. Not gonna lie, I don't see how I survived that. Not gonna lie. I don't see how I survived that. Bro, I can't do nothing, bro. I got low health. Rest in peace, low health. I just love how I'm always getting double teamed on. Like, the one person is near me, and then the next person is the next person. Gross. And it's their own teammate, like, come on, man. Alright, I gotta go. Yep.
This is a bad friend.
Now, when I stop, when I finish eating, you're still in this. You're slow.
Man, don't be doing that today. Don't be doing that delay on me.
So
Well,
what?
I know y'all wasn't allowed outside because of what happened in the house. Who's in the bathroom?
What I do to lay on her?
Is you in a tub?
I wasn't even. Huh?
About to or no? Can I pee? Okay.
What you mean?
She wanted really to be on the trampoline with y'all today. But I know the circumstances, y'all couldn't be outside.
I
That's
couldn't.
why I know. So she was mad.
Then I
And I
wanted
couldn't
to
even
know.
tell you I like your haircut because I was in the back of the cop car.
I noticed. Because I saw you.
know.
I was kind of salty.
I was salty too. I was salty that you see me like that.
I was salty.
I was salty. I didn't want you to see me back there like that.
I was salty because you were in the back of the cop car. I noticed because I saw you.
Let's see where he is. Mehmet asks, what's the slash about? A law that would...
When you see things differently, you can be the difference. There you go. Capella University.
No, okay.
This giant pumpkin took a bit. I had Knuckles come here, but no, he's on vacation. Okay. So all the pumpkins are set up. Have the other helicopters come in and take care of that. Lighthouse is done. The bats are set up. This place should be ready for next month.
Almost done.
And the green smoke smoke in the sky works well, thanks to Tails. Now, this is gonna be a Halloween party. But I don't want to spoil everything for the audience that's watching. Anyway,
I'm done.
hungry after all that work.
I'm done.
And hey, luckily Amy left this out. Chaos Colas and the chili dog. I don't mind if I do. Chili dogs always do good after a good day of work.
Oh, hey, Sonic.
Oh, hey, Sonica. Just got
Hey.
working around the place and so. Just got this
Huh.
setting up for all the Halloween festivities for next month.
I can see that. You did a pretty good job there.
Yeah. Also, don't
Thanks,
question
Anna.
why the moon still looks that way. It just turned around after Eggman beat on it a long time ago.
Ew. I don't want to think of that. Ugh.
Okay.
I'll take the red one.
So, how's everything set up for Halloween over at your place?
Pretty good. I mean, of course, I had a lot of help from Alex and such, and even Sadina a little bit, but she's more focused on being a rogue. You know?
Busy usual, busy usual.
Yeah. Then of course Sylvia wanting to help, but kind of making a mess at the same time.
Of course. Still having trouble with the psychokinesis.
Yup.
Alright.
How's it been with you? Has Shadow been messing with you lately?
And he's been busy on G1 missions. We've been trying to keep it secret from each other what we're gonna be for Halloween. And me and Classic made plan on preparing a party once Halloween hits around the corner on the day. So,
Nice. Very nice.
yeah, this place should be ready for next month. Excited.
I'm excited too. Halloween is one of my most favorite holidays.
That'd be Christmas.
Yeah, and things change, so... yeah.
Maybe Christmas, but it's that time where we want to go food, so.
Yeah, I guess so.
But I like Halloween because you get to spooky, scary stuff and you get to scare people.
Yeah, which we don't get to usually do too often, so... so I bet you were winning money, Sonic. You're probably gonna be able to, really pull off a really nice costume. Probably get all the ladies looking at you.
Bro, this shotgun is terrible. It's absolutely terrible.
Preparing as of late is gonna be something. I don't want to spoil what it is. Taylor's already working on it, and let's just say, you still gonna do that thing with Maurice?
I might need a reminder.
That's odd, because you're the one who thought of the idea.
You know, Sonic's gotta do a lot of stuff, you know.
Yeah, true. Usually busy with a lot of stuff nowadays. Not that much Eggman popping up as a recent thing. Because he's always plotting to escape. He's always trying to kill
You ate, right? Yeah.
Yeah, true. Very true. But, I mean, hey, at least he looked awesome kicking his butt, so hopefully he'll come around.
Hey, still. You really want to see that dream face reveal, huh? So I had Big Mac. Shout outs to McDonald's. No, not sponsored.
What is this thing, though? Trash? nice if you think about it.
Cute. She's from the UK? I thought she was American. It's American. Where's the audio? Alright, refresh again. We can maybe watch one video before. Yeah. When will it be? Very shortly. Like within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. I did the timing on Twitter. He posted that. So it's gonna be within 10 minutes. I was watching. There's the
Miss
notification.
Cheesecake has just donated £5 through Super Chat. 2 hearts.
Thank you. Alright, so before his face reveal will be in 5 to 10 minutes. So let me just I was watching this video. This dude is in Florida. This rich dude right here. He lives in Florida. And
Pumps around. You got problems? I got big problems. I got lazy river pumps that are screaming because they need to be fixed.
it's because of the hurricane. Keep up the amazing content. You are amazing. Legend, thank you so much for the donut. Thank you. I love this. This is one of my favorite YouTubers. Eat lettuce. Eat lettuce, okay? I mean, I ate a lot of lettuce yesterday and also earlier today. Sunday Games, YT, thank you so much, dude. Love you too. My mom don't let me stay home, bro. She would only let me stay home only if I had big ass cut or an illness. Okay. I see. Mr. Flav, I'm in stream at 250. I'm famous now. Yeah. You can now. You can. I have a shout out. Shout outs to Random Jacks. Thanks for the $2. I appreciate it. Alright, so this dude right here. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. How many minutes until 30? We got, yeah, realistically it's still 10 more minutes. Like, it's gonna be 2:30 a.m. for me when he uploads. When Dream uploads this video, it's gonna be 2:30 a.m. for me, so 13 minutes. Keep using your credit card, exactly, awesome. Thank you. Alright, so this dude, he's a real estate dude. I don't watch him because of real estate investments, but because he's rich and he's funny. That's why I watch him. Ran through face reveal. I'm already done. You can just go look at my channel. Like go a month back. If you go like a month back, look for the title face reveal.
Once in a while, we get a hurricane. But they ain't hit us hard yet. I've been here since 04.
In case you didn't know, the hurricane already hit. I hope you guys are okay in Florida. The aftermath. I hope you guys are doing good.
But they say this year, it's gonna hit us hard. First part we had to take care of was our $43 asset underwater.
Alright, here we are at John's Pass, 2 days before Hurricane
What's up, girl?
hit, trying to get everything prepared, so we have to come through there to install all the storm shutters. Just quick response. This morning I woke up to an email. Hey, what are we doing? I'm concerned.
So we're watching this before Dream goes live with his video. Dream is going live with his video in about 10 minutes. What's up, Pearl? We passed Dream yet? No. We didn't pass. Dream is about to upload in about 10 minutes. 2:30 a.m. for me. So in about 12 minutes. So we're just watching this video until then.
Peace out.
This is some major shit. Basically, if this breaks, the building's gonna break.
This is amazing. I appreciate it.
You're the best guys.
What's up,
Remember,
Eric?
out here, we're all working. I just want to
818.
bolts. Next two bolts. If we don't install the storm shutters, the insurance won't pay for anything. Measures to mitigate property damage here and over here. This building is all the way over to that building.
No, I didn't eat cheese. I ate Big Mac. Big Mac. I had a Big Mac.
Man, this is the cleanest I've seen this place in a long time. Normally, all this stuff is scattered
If he
around.
cut,
and
let me know. What do you mean if he cut?
compressed it all,
Like
that
ripped?
you would do in your backyard.
I need to
What
let you
Dylan's
know.
doing, he's really good. He takes care of the whole marina, got his whole staff, making sure his boats are secure, and anything that can damage the dock, he's
This
removing.
dude says,
Okay,
I'm
because the
fat.
dock is ours,
Good
and
for you.
this is the water. We're not responsible.
Not
for
healthy,
any
not
of this.
healthy.
This is the
Not
boardwalk
good
that's
for
owned
you.
by the city. Now we have an underwater land lease for all of this land. So this is our land.
Look how rich
Pull
these.
that out.
I got a plan.
Look how rich these guys are.
Get hold of it. Put that somewhere in the bowling alley. It's safe.
They got a lazy river in their freaking house.
Put the sandbags in front of it.
Is pot going anywhere? I don't think so. What about the
If
line?
you just joined the stream, Dream is about to upload his face reveal video in about 10 minutes.
Like your mother did. Now come this
10
way.
minutes.
Yeah, you like cleared it with like 3
There's
feet.
no way that you can do it.
I can do it.
You can't do it.
I mean, but if you step here,
he can't even jump that distance. Hey, Nick's Games YT, thank you so much, Nick Games, for the $2. I appreciate it. Thank you. How you get buff? How you get buff? You idiot. How you get buff? You work out and then you sleep and eat. So you work out, you break down your muscles when you work out, and then you rest to grow the muscles. Thanks for the subs, I appreciate it. Then you rest to grow the muscles, but after working out, 1 hour after working out,
Bro, I can't do nothing like, oh my god.
vegetarian, I don't know, pasta,
Finish me off, I don't freaking care.
tofu.
Cross the river. Like your mother did. Now come
His mother is Mexican. Cross the river. Oh, where was she? She's from South America somewhere. It's,
Lazy River. Cross the river.
that's kind of saucy.
Turn off OOT. You're dead for the night. Turn off OOT. You're dead for the night. You're dead for the night. Turn off OOT. I don't want no copyrighted music, so. Yeah, dead for the night. Total for OOTA. I don't want no copyrighted music, so might as well put in something random. Hey, 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 hey. Imagine being told to take a shower now. That'd be kind of sad. I would just pull that and think I'm gonna take it. No, because why? You guys want to know why? Hey, 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 yeah, 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 hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, hey. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 I'm about to jump off. I'm dead. Turn on for oh he. You're dead in the night. Turn on oh you. Oh, hold up. I'ma just pretend I didn't cause myself to die again. Hopefully someone tunes in to my freaking stream. Hopefully someone tunes into my stream. Please, I beg of you to tune into my stream. Before I start switching on stream. Oh! Dang, bro, got laser. What's going on for all whole team? Get lasered, boy. Alright, going for
You good? Roll down.
just doubles. And of course, this game breaks. Well, at least you guys know their glitch. Yes. Van still glitch. As I just glitched these right here. You see, it just fell. Cool. What's crazy is I get no health out of this. Bro. Oh, this guy got me tripping. Dang, that's a lot of math. Bro, no collision. This game is so bad for no collision. Is this even Fortnite anymore? Because if you think about it, there's no collision. Bro, what is this? If you guys ever wanted to know, here's the old OG bear from Chapter 2 map. This is the growing bear, I think. It's actually pretty good if you think about it. Yeah, no more song, because I don't think you can hear it. Oh, what is this, bro? Oh my god! That just made me go full sweat mode. Oh my god. I had no heal. I had no health. No health. Oh my god.
Catch some bad, walk down, face them with the heater. The devil under your feature on your way to see him.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I was just lucky enough to get pushed into the storm. Oh my. Yo. Call that a clutch up. Bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was legitimate super duper low. Yo. That's crazy. I'll take that. I mean, this counts as an OG glider, but it's cool. It's cool. But legitimate. Who thought I would ever do that? Like, legitimate, I carried that round. Like, hello? I legitimate carried that? Legit? Legit? What? Bro, that's crazy, bro. Oh my god. Isn't there replays in this game? Hopefully they didn't remove replays. sucks is if there's no replays, but I can always replay it in my stream. Wow, there's really no... Bro, there's really no replays. They really took replays out. Yo. Hold up. I refuse to believe. I refuse. Yo. No! There's no replay! Frick, I need replay. I need you guys to see this perfect replay. Please, I need a replay. Come on, bro. That was just clutch, bro. Like, I really thought I was gonna die. Yo. I ain't gonna lie. On that account, I have legitimate almost every darn skin in the Battle Pass. I'm legitimate past this page. I found a hack to get past these pages. Don't worry, I claimed all those. I'm on page 6 to 7. No, 6 to 8. Yeah, 6 to 8 because 6 to 8. I'm on page 6 to 8 because I figured out a hack. See, you see this thing that says claim more rewards? When you claim more rewards, you could get this page earlier than what you expected to get. You'll finish the page at level 70. Well, no, you'll get the page at level 70. You'll finish this one at level 70. You'll finish this one at level 60. You'll finish this one at level 50. You'll finish this one at level 40. You'll finish this one at level 30. This one 20. This one 10. So this one is legitimate level 70. This one's level 80. This one's level 90. And this one is 100. I'm over here on the one that... Like, you don't see how bad they were lasering my build? Oh. I can't... Dog, I already have the battle pass. legitimate, if I could, if I wanted to, I would buy the battle pass on this account. If not, gift it to this account, which I probably would. The same account because, well, let's just say I can't stream on that account than the other one, because if I stream on that one, I wouldn't be able to do it. Off a clutch video, I ain't gonna lie. I might stop streaming. Depends on how long I start lagging. Depends on how long the stream lags. Legitimate. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see. My other account, legitimate, has the battle pass. It's like right here in front of me. It has the battle pass. And proof. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see. That shows some bad walk down, facing with the heater. And yes, on my other account, I do have Star One. On this account, I just have these 2 pickaxes. Sadly, I don't have over 300 things over. I ain't gonna lie, that Victory Royale caused me to go low, pop off. It was trio versus solo. And yeah, hopefully when this video gets posted, you guys, it'll be on the thing, hopefully on the trending thing. I don't know. I just really hope. I'm gonna go to YouTube Studio. I'm gonna go to YouTube Studio and just put something else on my, just so I could show people I'm also a Fortnite YouTuber, because I don't want them to think I just stream Roblox, which I don't, and I get more views, yay. And also, if you want to join, go ahead and drop my username in the chat, which it is. If not, just drop your username in the item. Just drop your username in the thing and I'll add you, because if not, I'll just go on my alt account and add you, and whenever I play on my alt account and you're online, you can join me if you want to. I'll even make my party public.
Right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch some bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch some bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him.
Because look, if I continue doing this method over and over and over, then I'll legitimately be the highest person with the most wins. Like every day, non-stop. But at the same time, I do want to get into skill level players and not, because it'll be easier. And I'm kind of glad I pulled off a W. So 3 should be 4, but we'll just pretend it's 3. And also, all I need to do is just get my account another win. And once I get that, I'll actually have more than what I expect to have. If you didn't know, I barely play this game on this account because I don't have all these rare emotes or anything, because this is a new account. Legitimate, just for the fun of it. Oh, 26 subscribers. Cool. Cool. Didn't expect that at 26. Get that many subs, I guess. Guess I'll start streaming. I beginning at 22 for straight through, I guess you could say, September 18th to September 29th. Then it started raising. Because I barely stream, you know. And if I live stream, my stream normally lags out. But I'm not playing on Roblox, that's why it's not lagging. So, yeah. I just love seeing my subscriber count. It's just like, it's not even funny anymore. I thank you guys for the 26 subscribers. I never thought I would reach it. I'm not gonna lie, because if you think about it, I have my old accounts. I normally used to subscribe with, but I guess not. So, I'm just surprised I got that many.
May the force be with you.
Ooh, recording? Does anyone else see that up there? Why is it up there?
Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see. Get some bad, walk down, face them with that heat.
Hopefully I'm in a game with sweats because I kind of want to. Wow, none of them. Oh. That's when I know there's a sweat. When they have a crown victory. What's cool is that my Fortnite actually says red. With the little dot. The little red dot. That's all that means in recording. It's kind of cool. That's. Did I just work that? Oh yeah, that was my I'm probably gonna hot drop on my other account just so I can die. I want them to finish my account. Pretty much you guys are ready by that. Please don't take it personal when I say that. You'll think I'm gay. W game. I'm about to die. Well, at least if you're gonna laser me, just kill me. Cut, I'm right here. Front of your face. Bro, where? Dude, I have like no ammo. Help me, help me. Thanks. Ah, I forgot. Ooh, 9 minutes left. Dude. Whoa! Why do you laser me from behind? Like you're Hello, teammate, please. I forgot. I have a brain dead teammate again. Yay. I have legitimate no health. Wait, is it? Wait, it's another Spider-Man? Bruh. Who else saw that? I know y'all didn't. I saw that. That was actually really funny. I saw it. Kill him! Kill him. Thank you! No, get my reboot. Reboot me! Reboot me! Reboot! Don't kill yourself! Reboot. The reboot van that's right there in front of your face. Thank you. This man's legitimate has flipped it. Yeah. Thanks. victory crown. Please don't leave. Please, I beg. Thank you. Don't get him. Ooh, this would have been so useful. No, don't reboot him. Wait, don't reboot me. No. No. I don't want to reboot him. Frick. Shit. I'm over lower can die. Bro, they're legit. Oh my. I'm just let them kill me and let them steal my victory crown. I want to sit down and chill in the tree because if I don't, I'm gonna die. I will chill in the tree. Okay. I'm trying not to die. They're like right there. They're like right there, bro. Move away! Please. Bro. Bro, move! Of course the original Toxic takes me out again. You just need them to leave you. might not switch out. The Switch has more graphics. Legit, the trees aren't even. Bro, this is so hard, bro. That wasn't a great idea. Bro, get your ass off of me. Bro, I can't, bro. They're just freaking sitting there like bots. Bro's just sitting there camping, waiting for me to heal. I mean, Alright, guys. Like, can collab his line? Pretty much after the stream, I'm done. I'm going back to Roblox, and then after the stream again, I'm going back to Roblox. Well, I'll just do this. I'll just do this real quick. Because I'm currently trying to capture a game. Because I'm not in the game yet. Central D. Central D. Oh. Okay. Okay, let me just fix stream real quick. Well, I would have to continuously do this, so. Okay, back to the game. I'll actually make it. Accept that. And then. And ready up. As long as I wait for this key to start up, I'll just watch a YouTube video. Because I'm bored, and why not? Oh, seems as if I'm in the game. Well, I'm right there if you ever wanted to know. This is my main account. Yes, guys, I'm still live. I probably should go to sleep in a minute. Yes, 104 minutes ago. That's legitimate an hour ago. But you're 6% it wasn't an hour ago. Wait, did I thank the bus driver? Okay, let's just try to kill ourselves again. I mean, just well, you guys know the drill. But there's water up under us. Well, this is officially the worst dropping point. You got it. You got it. Oh, back when I was younger. What did corpse do? Alright, that'll be it. Put on a happy face and yeah, I'm getting bored. you're absolutely annoying. Who carries boogie bombs nowadays? Oh, come on. I'm just tripping. I don't need boogie. turn off the computer in a minute because it's legitimately impossible. So, no more streaming for me. Hope you guys know that. So, that'll probably be in a minute or so. Oh no, I ran out of mats to Skybase.
Walk down, face him with right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to sin. Right foot creep.
Yeah. Mother about to spill some tea. Lol. Well, the stream's about to end, so probably about one more round. Give me a second. I know it's yours. I know it's yours. Take off your pants. Well, take off your shoes first. Come on. Come on, man. You know the day. Take off your darn shoes first. Take off your darn shoes. Take off your shoes. Don't freaking listen. Now your pants. You said Paw Patrol like 15,000 times. Push. Alright? Jesus. Push. Put your foot in. Same Paw Patrol. They're going to do. As a matter of fact, you need to be going to sleep now. You both do. Only one video and then it's done. If I see it end, you're done. Prince, you're going to sleep at 10 today, right? That's legitimate in 1 minute. No. You gotta go sleep in a minute. What's your whine? Dang. Quit whining over the damn Paw Patrol. You're not funny. No. Quit crying. Bro. Here. Here. Bro. Don't do that. Chill. You have no reason to be crying. Chill. Quit crying over nothing. Chill out. Alright? Chill. You did what was necessary. Go over your pocket. But no. Right here. Quit doing that. Especially when I'm on YouTube. what you think. What do you want? What do you want? Here. What's fine? Right. You can't watch that. You can't watch that. Alright, as you can see, you won the match. Alright, cool. Quit saying stuff out loud. Quit saying it out loud. Alright, I'm done. Yeah. As you see, I get a couple dubs there. Yeah, I'm good. I'm out. Roblox_Fortnite out. Yeah, quit saying that. Quit saying. Yeah, I'm out. See you guys later. I'm gonna end stream right now. Good. Just the love and precious like the awesome. I'm so tired. Won't you take me? Let's go far away. Dude, quit saying my name out loud. Quit.